I received this product free to try, and this set looks really fun and very portable. It comes with its own pouch, and this I will stick here. And here I have my little painting. Oops, the other way around. Okay, that's much better. I got water in my pan, and I can start. And I just want to put more water, and can squeeze the pen so you can get more water in it. And I can add more colors. I like it. It's very handy, and it's just the right size to make art portable, and you can take it anywhere with you.